traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to talk about what the market is going to do on the 3rd of February and how it's going to react a day before the expiry, and also the current trade that we have taken for the day. It has given us a 32K. I will also tell you how we were able to achieve it. Now, just before you proceed, I want you to hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and watch out for the information that we actually say, because what we mentioned yesterday was the exact same thing that happened today, and hope that would help you make sound decisions when you're trading on your own. And if you want to make such profits, join www.rltrgroup.com and join us tomorrow so that you can make the similar profits. Now let's quickly go ahead and see why this 32K. It was a simple, easy peasy transaction. So we went ahead with 1,000 quantity, and we bought it somewhere around 932 and exited it at 935, and that all happened here with this single candle. So as soon as we understood that when the Bank Nifty was consolidating here, we understood that this is a very important level after the 15 minutes, that when it breaks we have to be pretty fast, and we also had predetermined a target of 34,660. So that hit there, we achieved our targets, and my participants today made 80K, 60K, 30K, and a lot of more money than what I could. I was very busy getting them to exit, and I had put an SL order. So remember that your profits comes before what I take mine. What I show here is nothing for me. All right. So with this note, let's quickly go ahead and see what the market will be doing tomorrow. So let's come back to the daily candles like how we mentioned. So there are still a few minutes left in the market, but I want to tell you that when we are on the highs, it should be very important that you make a note of this. Now, all the global cues are giving us a green signal that, there can be another gap up tomorrow. But right now, as you see, we have already traveled somewhere around 3,000 points on a single direction. Now, that is something that you need to keep in mind. So tomorrow, I will not have any bias on the CE or the PE side. I will go ahead and see how the options are fluctuating, and I would not suggest anybody to do any overnight positions, because if you are doing that, the premium values are pretty high, and you can lose a lot on the theta if you carry forward your position. So for me tomorrow, as soon as it takes out the high, I'm looking for a round number target of 35,000. Like how I said yesterday, that once we cross the high of 34,000, we are going to see a round number breach straight away if we cross the yesterday's high. So that's the importance of the video. At this moment, nobody can tell you what exactly is going to happen. Hence, you would need some expert advice. So I'm right here for you, and I'll be trading live every day. This is my job. So come tomorrow, join us, and be a part of the RLTR group so that you can make similar profits and enjoy the day. So within 2 minutes, nobody can make 80K, but we did. Now that's an achievement to be proud of. Thank you so much for your time. I wish you have a wonderful day. Please do share your love with your loved ones. Jai Hind. See you tomorrow with another video. Bye-bye.